Welcome to the EnDo Strategy Historical Cycles series. In this series, we start from the very beginning of the nasdaq 100 and walk through real historical data, step by step, to show how the EnDo strategy works in practice. Cycle number 3. This cycle begins on January 16, 1987. The day when we took profit from the previous cycle and closed our positions. Now we wait for a pullback movement. Even if the market continues to rise without a pullback, we will not regret it, panic, or break our rules. We simply follow the rules. This time, when we recognize that a pullback has formed, a bullish daily candle has already appeared, so we enter. When entering, we place the stop loss according to rule number 1 and use half of our total account balance to open the position according to rule number 2. If the market moves upward from here, we will open our second position after the next pullback. But if the market falls and hits our stop loss, then as soon as a bullish daily candle closes after the stop loss, we enter again following rule number 1 and rule number 2. The market fell slightly, hit our stop loss, and we took our first loss. Since a bullish daily candle has closed, we enter again, placing the stop loss according to rule number 1 and using half of the account balance to open the position according to rule number 2. This time, the market moved upward. Now we wait for the next pullback. Whether the pullback is deep enough to hit our stop loss or shallow and does not hit it, we will enter again after a bullish daily candle closes. This time as well, when we recognize that the pullback had formed, a bullish daily candle had already appeared, so we enter. When entering, we place the stop loss according to rule number 1. According to rule number 2, since the first position is already open, we use the entire remaining account balance to open the second position. After entering, the market rises, not only recovering the loss from the previous stop loss, but also reaching a profit equal to 15% of our original account balance. So, according to rule number 5, we secure the profit and close both positions, ending this cycle. Please take a look at the results of this cycle. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.